These are the spices that I'll be using to cook the catfish, most of which are local spices. And I'm going to be grinding them all together. We have here the uda, this is the ehuru. We remove the shell and then we grind the inner part. This is the ehu. We scrape the outer part with a knife and then we pound or grind. The Scotch bonnet pepper or any other type of pepper, it all depends on your preference. The alligator seeds. This gives the pepper soup its aroma. Some seasoning cubes. The onions. The ginger and garlic. And of course some salt. The vegetables. This is the utazi leaves. While this is the uziza leaves. They are somewhat similar, but they are not the same. And finally, we have the catfish. I've already washed this with some hot water in order to remove its sliminess. Hot water not only helps to remove its sliminess, it also helps to make the fish hard and firm. This ensures that it doesn't scatter in the pot when you're cooking it. I start by boiling some water that I'm going to be using to cook the catfish. And when it's on boiling point, I put the fish into a pot and I add all the ingredients and spices all at once. And then I add the hot water just enough to cook the catfish and I bring it to boil. Now this has been cooking for approximately 10 minutes, and at this point you would want to taste the soup and readjust the spices if necessary. By spices I mean salt and pepper. You can see that the fish is still in one piece. This is what washing the fish with hot water helps to achieve. I cover the pot and simmer for about a minute. After a minute, I proceed to add the vegetables that I've already washed and chopped. And then I stir it carefully so that the fish doesn't scatter. And then I simmer for about a minute. Now our catfish is ready. You can serve it with some white rice, boiled yams or potatoes, or you can enjoy it alone. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.